Debate continues on the proposed anti-political dynasty measure as lawmakers and stakeholders weigh how far the ban should go and who exactly should be covered. Mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes reports.
Ayaw ka jowa mo pa lang. Kasi po dito, just presented themselves to the public. So kung magjowa lang po sila, covered po ba yun? Or they have to habit or they have to live together before the law will apply to them. Dito po kasi regardless of sexual orientation. Ano po kung dalawang Becky.
Pero doon po sa bill ko, kahit hindi po sila kasal ng simbahan o civilly, basta meron silang iisang tahanan at pinakikilala ang sarili nila bilang isang couple, kahit nga hindi po kasal, mako-cover nung ban. Kung originally mga mayor ng magkaibang bayan, pero habang nanunungkulan ay nag-ibigan at naging couple, sa susunod na eleksyon ay mako-cover sila kung cohabiting.
In yesterday's Senate Electoral Reforms Committee's public consultation in Marilao, Bulacan, the formulation of a Contra Dinastia law was welcomed by its participants with a few recommendations in mind. From the Pampanga State University School of Law, Attorney J.T. Leonardo Santos mentioned the need for a certification similar to a certificate of non-forum shopping, where hopeful political candidates will be disclosing its relationship with incumbent or running politicians to the COMELEC.
Tapos lagyan po ng penalty kapag hindi po siya nag-disclose kasi hindi siya honest. Pangalawa po, lagyan po natin ng rule ng first to file rule para magunahan sila. Paano po kung sabay-sabay sila nag-file? Sino po ang ipe-prefer ng COMELEC? Maguguluhan po kasi yung relationship.
Law students, student councils, coalitions, and civil society organizations took to the forum how disappointing it was that the youth have been the ones pursuing clean governance when the elders in the field should have been role models. According to the Model SK Network, the scope of the Contra Dinastia law should also extend to the fourth civil degree of consanguinity and affinity.
Dahil po tayo sa Pilipinas, we are a family-centric country. Most of the household nga po, di ba? Extended family, kasama natin mga lolo natin, lola natin, pamangkin, tito, tita. So, hindi po malayo. Dagdag pa po rito, masyado po tayong nagpapaniwala sa away kunyari ng mga pamilya. Na para bang nagiging teleserye na po yung politika.
Several others asked for assurance on the effectivity of the much-awaited law, as well as the protection of institutions who hope to take a stand against political abuse. Director Temi Lambino of the Commission on Elections also took note that the anti-political dynasty law will not negatively impact the transition of governance as long as there is an established policy on how to properly serve the public.
Paano din po titiyakin na mananatiling ligtas na ang espasyo ng demokratikong partisipasyon ang mga institusyong pang-edukasyon at hindi maging extension ng political machinery. We cannot further risk our futures for the few good dynasties na sinasabi po ng iba.
Yung political ang problema, hindi yung services. As long as we have well-entrenched procedure on how to serve the people, on how services would go to the people, then we wouldn't be worrying about transition. We wouldn't be worrying about kung sino ang uupo.
In addition, Angeles City Vice Mayor Amos Rivera suggested that qualifications to running for public office be amended. Aside from just having the capacity to read and write, he sees that in order to have competent and qualified officials, increasing the literacy requirement should be looked into. A political candidate's campaign expenses, he says, should also be strictly limited to level the playing field and their moral compass.
And naturally, bilang tao, pag upo po niya na magiging 3 years na mindset po yan kung paano niya babawiin yung nagastos kaysa dun sa 3 years na kung paano siya maglilingkod.
So far, the last consultative meeting will be done on February 19 in Cagayan de Oro City in Misamis Oriental. After that, forums may follow. Senator Risa Hontiveros remains optimistic that the upper chamber will be able to pass its Contra Dinastia law by late March this year. Kapatid Mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes, we are One News.